Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. You can call me Em, and this is Busy at Home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make ginger and garlic paste so that whenever you want to cook, you always have it ready in your fridge. So I don't know anybody who likes to peel this much garlic, but to make it easier, just pour some hot water on the cloves and let them sit, and when you go to peel them, it's going to be a lot easier. So the reason why I make ginger and garlic paste is because I do not like the peeling and cutting and chopping and grinding ginger and garlic every single time I need to cook. So even when I don't have ginger and garlic paste in my fridge, I'll just go for the powdered one. This process every single time, no, too much. How much ginger and garlic you use is completely up to you. So go with your taste buds, and whatever you like is what you use. Otherwise, I was using a lot more ginger here because I already had some more garlic paste in the fridge, so just adding on. Now this water is no longer as hot, so I'm just going to pour it out and peel the garlic. Just watch how easily that peels. Oh, so satisfying. This ginger and garlic paste has saved me time and time again. You know, when you have those random visitors or when your baby needs to eat in a rush, this comes in handy. This paste will keep in the fridge for about a month, but if you plan on keeping it for longer, I'd suggest putting it in the freezer. That way it keeps its taste. To make this paste, you're going to need some clean drinking water and some oil. But to be honest, I don't know how much. But just keep adding a bit of water and a bit of oil until your paste becomes smooth. It's better to have a little that you can add than a lot that you can take out. You can always add water, but you can't take it out. If you want to have some separate ginger, say for making tea, don't put any oil, just some water, and then blend it until it is smooth. Then take it out or take out a bit, and then add in your garlic together with your oil. That way you can have separate ginger and garlic for situations where you just want them separately. But if that is not the case, then you can always just put all the ingredients together in a blender and then blend them up and you're done. As an added bonus, this ginger and garlic paste smells amazing, and it's going to smell up your kitchen wonderfully. For some recipes to use this ginger and garlic paste, check out in the iCards for my chicken biryani recipe and also pumpkin soup recipe. They are delicious, and I hope you try them. I hope you try making this ginger and garlic paste. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It helps to support this channel. Asanteni sana, and see you next time. Bye bye.